It's the swap meet flip, and I'm super excited about the stuff that's sold this past weekend. Bunch of small little items, but you know what? They all add up. So let's get started. Taylor Swift CD. This is the self-titled CD. If you've got one of these and it's still sealed, oh my gosh, I've sold one of these for $150, but this one itself, because it's open, I bought it for $1. This was $1 item, and it sold for $34.99. This reel-to-reel, it was in a package with a whole bunch of other stuff. It said Miles Davis on it, so there's recordings in here with Miles Davis content. So I bought it, probably it was $1. So it sold for, let's see here, reel to reel, $25. Not bad. This Big Ben moon beam alarm clock works. It lights up and everything. Bought it for $3 and it sold for $37. And this IOMed, I don't even know what it is. It's for Foresor 2 Auto. It's a auto dose item system. It doesn't have the wire with it, but hey, it's still sold. It's just the main unit. So don't be afraid to pick up those little tiny stuff, because man, they add up. This one actually sold from $3 to $40. This sold today. This is the Bosch Platinum spark plugs. I bought it for $5 and it sold for, let's see, today it sold for, wait a minute, sold for $35. I did have it up for $79, but somebody gave me an offer, so I'm taking it because I need the room. All right, this Persol case, it still had the box. It still had some of the accessories in it. It's empty. So I bought it for $3. Bought it for $3 and it sold for $13. Yeah, it's not that much, but hey, it adds up. This Sony DAT machine, it was I was hoping that it was working, but it just didn't work for me and I couldn't do anything. I couldn't fix it. So it's a DTC 690. DTC 690. Bought it for $20. I had the high hopes, but still, it sold for over $100. So it sold, let's see, it sold for $102. Still, that's 5 times the what I spent for it. Okay, so this is the winner of the past couple of days. Man, I'm so excited to show you this item. This is a Joan Miro Lithography's book. It has some original of the works that the artist made, and this is actually a what do you call this? A limited edition, because they only sold so many of these, and this one is number 4825. So I think they made 5,000 of these. Okay, so it has a bunch of her or a bunch of the artist's stuff in it, as you can see here. Yes, $5. Wait for it. $400. 400. Yes. That one is definitely the winner. All right. So that is pretty much what sold for the past couple of days. We spent a total of $36, and we totaled the flip to $651.99. Man, that is some good flipping. All right, so that's pretty much it. I hope you like this video, and if you want to see more of this stuff and see what I keep flipping, the small, big stuff, whatever it is, subscribe. Please subscribe.